In this lecture, I will be covering the basics of CNC programming on machining centers. You will see that programming is actually quite an easy job, not some complex task requiring a PhD. The purpose of a CNC program is to move the tool to cut a required part with other necessary actions like controlling the spindle, changing the tool, and so on. Programming appears to be a complex process but is actually very simple. The tool on a CNC machining center is only capable of these 4 motions. The program commands for these motions are G00, G01, etc. In addition, you have commands for changing the tool, specifying the spindle speed, starting and stopping the spindle, controlling the coolant, etc. Knowing just these and a few other commands, you can actually write programs for cutting complex parts. The rapid traverse command G00 moves the tool at a high speed when it is moving in air to save time. The rapid rate varies from machine to machine and on most machines would be about 20 meters per minute. The feed traverse command G01 moves the tool in a straight line at a specified rate and is used to cut along a straight line. These two circular motion commands G02 and G03 move the tool along a clockwise arc and a counterclockwise arc. When you have a series of repetitive motions, like when you are doing peck drilling at multiple locations, you can use a command called a can cycle. A can cycle speeds up programming and shortens the program. This animation shows a peck drilling operation that can be programmed with just a few lines of can cycle command. In this program, the line with G73 specifies the hole depth, peck depth, feed rate, etc. The lines below specify the locations at which drilling is to be done. From this can cycle, the machine generates all the individual motions required to drill the holes. These few lines replace maybe 40 or 50 lines that you would have otherwise written.